शिकायत कुछ नहीं है. आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. इस गाने के ज़रिए एंड साइड गैंगस्टर रिटर्न्स मूवी के ज़रिए दिस आइटम नंबर मेरे दिमाग में यही आया था सबसे पहले मैंने जब गाना सुना. मैं बोली मीडिया से कह दूंगी. So I'm like definitely the entire media is going to be really excited about this कि क्या कहने वाली है. So it's quite a catchy number and I'm quite happy I'm part of this. Yeah. बहुत सारी शिकायतें हैं लेकिन एक करना चाहूँगी कि वो you guys have shifted the focus from real entertainment to the gossip entertainment. So I just want to tell you that don't get into people's personal life so much. I know there is a huge gossip there, but sometimes the gossip is in someone. What good is also happening? A lot of bad news I see spreading more than with the good news. So yeah, so that वही शिकायत है लोगों के निजी जिंदगी में बहुत घुसते हो आप. ये शिकायत तो हर एक एक्टर की रहती है थोड़ी बहुत. लेकिन इवेंचुअली जो बॉक्स ऑफिस पे चलता है वो ही बोलते हैं ना जो जीता वही सिकंदर. सो जिसकी पिक्चर चली वही सिकंदर है. सो बट येस वी नीड टू गेट दैट चांस. बट तिग्मांशु सर जैसे लोग हैं जो नए लोगों को बहुत चांस देते हैं एंड दे ऑलवेज वांट टू गेट द नॉवेल्टी फैक्टर. इफ़ यू गो टू सी माई फर्स्ट आइटम नंबर इज़ इन तिग्मांशु धूलिया's film. So he thought that yes this kind of number I can do it. So he called me and so yeah, he likes to experiment and he believes and he has a conviction that he can make anything look good and put it up there. And he's been doing that since Hasil time to Charas time until today. Cyber Gangster returns. So if people like Tigsmanshu sir is there, Madhur Bhandarkar, like they always give chance to new people. So I think वो शिकायत थोड़ी कम हो जाती है लेकिन it's always किस्मत की भी बात होती है. But I don't like to sit and crib about ये अरे वो उसका बेटा है उसकी बेटी है and all that. I think it's too cliche. Just go and do your work, be deserving and everything. वो I was just watching Three Idiots yesterday and like काबिल बनो और किस्मत आपके पीछे भागती आएगी. I think that's very true and I believe in that also. All the item numbers are very good. Even for that matter, Fevicol and all songs are really nice and the wordings are so good. But then I never felt that I should be, because these girls have done justice to them. Even Chikni Chameli, because I know the Chikni Chameli from Komdi Padali, so we know so we knew that song back of her head because one of my favorite songs is always in my car. So yeah, but I never felt that I wanted to do that. I always wanted to do that. I want to do an item now which will become like this, that people want to do it. And I think media say is turning out to be really good. People are getting good response. People are loving the lyrics. So let's hope for good. Yeah. Now I don't know which Marathi will be coming first. Movie will be coming first. But yes, I'm definitely doing a Marathi film this year because I've really got some nice scripts. So definitely something coming your way. I just want to tell everybody, please go and watch Cyber Gangster Returns on 8th March and watch the song, watch the film, and I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy it.